Hi, I'm Dorla, the creator of the group piano method, Piano Pyramid. And if you're new to teaching groups, the very best place to begin is with the Piano Pyramid Starter Kit. So my co-author and I, Mindy, we designed it to give you a smooth, predictable way to start group piano without feeling overwhelmed. Inside the starter kit, you'll get 2 multi-level ensembles and 4 complete weeks of lesson plans. You simply open the plan, follow the steps, and teach your students together, even if they're not all at the same level. Now, for the Piano Pyramid Explorers, they will be in a more cohesive age group, but the plan in the starter kit is the same concept. You open it up, you might have some printing to do, but you can teach 4 weeks of lessons. So each student receives their own version of the same piece. Beginners play a simplified part, which is very similar to any primer piano book. And the more experienced students play parts that challenge them or are right at their level. Make sure you know that they can sight read this part before assigning it to them. It's very important that they are able to sight read it. If they cannot, move them down a level. So this lets everyone succeed at the level while still giving you the opportunity to create a unified ensemble. If you want a simple, practical way to start group piano with confidence, the starter kit is your first step. You can find the link below, and if you have questions, I'm always happy to help you get started.